Satan's whispers driving me insane. There's no escape, no place to hide. I hear him laughing from the other side. This noise, this sound, it owns my soul. I can't escape this burning hole. No light, no life, just endless screams. Satan's symphony, ripping at the seams. The sound, it's in my head. The devil screaming won't be dead. I tried to block it, but it's too loud. The voices rise up like a blackened cloud. The sound of Satan, it's driving me mad. Tearing my soul apart, it's all I've ever had. The noise it rips, the lies it feeds. It plants its roots and grows like weeds. I rip my flesh to drown the noise. But Satan laughs, he still enjoys. Every breath is fire in my veins. A psychopathic course of endless pain. There's no silence, there's no peace. I'm chained to this torment, a living disease in the darkest corners of my mind. Satan's grip is all I find. The sound, it pulls me down. No more air, I'm gonna drown. I claw my skin, but it's too deep. The devil's voice won't let me sleep. The sound of Satan, it's driving me mad. Tearing my soul apart, it's all I've ever had. His whispers kill, but it's too deep. The devil's voice won't let me sleep.